Hello everyone, in this video we will start the new topic cockroach of chapter structural organization in animals. प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने अर्थवर्म तक स्टडी किया था, इस वीडियो में कॉकरोच से स्टार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, मॉर्फोलॉजी देखते हैं. Adult cockroach Periplaneta americana are about 34 to 53 centimeter long with wings that extended beyond the tip of the abdomen. Segmented body distinguished into head, thorax and abdomen. Entire body is covered by external chitinous exoskeleton. Each segment has hardened plates called sclerites, dorsal tergites and ventral sternites. Successive sclerites are joined by flexible articular membrane, arthrodial membrane. Head is formed by fusion of 6 segments with flexible neck. Next point. The head bears a pair of compound eye, a pair of antennae. Antennae have sensory receptors. Head bears appendages meant for biting and chewing type of mouth part. The mouth part consists of labrum, upper lip, a pair of mandibles, a pair of maxilla, a labium, lower lip, median, flexible lobe acting as tongue, hypopharynx. Thorax consists of 3 parts: prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. Each thoracic segment bears a pair of walking legs. First pair of wings arise from mesothorax and second pair from metathorax. Hind wings are transparent, membranous, meant for flying. Abdomen consists of 10 segments. In female, the 7th segment is boat-shaped, and along with 9th and 10th segment, it forms the broad or genital pouch. Genital pouch contains female gonopore, spermatical pores, and collateral glands. In male, the genital pouch bounded dorsally by 9th and 10th terga, and ventrally by the 9th sternum. Male bears a pair of anal style absent in female. Anal cerci present in both sexes in 10th segment. Anatomy: digestive system. Alimentary canal divided into 3 regions: foregut, midgut, hindgut. Mouth open into short pharynx leading to esophagus. Esophagus open into a sac-like crop which store food. Crop is followed by gizzard, and gizzard को क्या बोलते हैं? Proventriculus. Gizzard contains chitinous teeth for grinding the food. The entire foregut is lined by cuticle. The ring of 6 to 8 blind tubules called hepatic or gastric ceci present at the junction of foregut and midgut. Midgut which secrete digestive juices. Midgut is long tube-like structure at the junction of midgut and hindgut. Another ring of 100 to 150 yellow colored thin filamentous Malpighian tubules are present. Malpighian tubules are meant for excretion from hemolymph. The hindgut is broader and differentiated into ileum, colon and rectum. Blood vascular system. Blood vascular system is open type. Blood vessels are poorly developed and open into a space called hemocoel. Visceral organs located in the hemocoel and bathed in blood called hemolymph. The hemolymph composed of colorless plasma and hemocytes. Heart is elongated, multi-chambered, funnel-shaped with ostia. Blood enters into the heart through ostia and is pumped anteriorly into the sinuses. The hemocoel differentiated into 3 sinuses: pericardial sinus, visceral sinus, perineural sinus. Respiratory system consists of a network of trachea है. Trachea open हो जाती है outside by 10 pairs of small holes called spiracles on lateral side of the body. Trachea gives rise to branching tubes called tracheal tubes which subdivided into tracheoles. Opening of spiracles regulated by valves. Movement of air takes place by diffusion and directly to the body cell. Excretion is performed by Malpighian tubule. Each tubule is lined by glandular and ciliated cell. They absorb nitrogenous waste from the hemocoel and convert it into uric acid and poured into the hindgut. Hence, cockroaches uricotelic in nature. Nephrocytes and uricose glands also assist in excretion. Nervous system consists of a series of segmentally arranged ganglia joined by a paired longitudinal double ventral nerve cord. 3 ganglia lie in thorax and 6 in the abdomen. Head contain a bit of nervous system. The brain is represented by supraesophageal ganglia, which innervates the compound eye and antennae. The sense organs are antennae, eyes, maxillary palps, labial palp, anal cerci, etc. Each compound eye consists of about 2000 hexagonal ommatidia. Each ommatidium forms a part of the image called mosaic vision. Reproductive system cockroach में dioecious है. Sex organs are well developed है. Male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes lying on lying one on each in fourth and sixth segment. Vast differences arises from each testis opens into ejaculatory duct through seminal vesicle. Ejaculatory duct opens into the male gonopore situated ventral to anus. Accessory reproductive gland called mushroom gland present on sixth to seventh segment. External genitalia represented by male gonopophysis or phallomere. Next, sperms are sorted in the seminal vesicles and are glued together in the form of bundles called spermatophores, which are discharged during copulation. The female reproductive system consists of two large ovaries present in second to sixth abdominal segments. Each ovary is formed a group of 8 ovarian tubules or ovarioles containing chain of developing ova. Oviduct of each ovary fuse to form single median oviduct or vagina, which opens into genital chamber. A pair of spermatheca is present in the sixth segment, which open into genital chamber. Sperms are transferred through spermatophores. The fertilized eggs are encased in capsules called ootheca. Ootheca is dark reddish to blackish brown capsule about 3 by 8 long, 3 by 8 inch long. On average, female produce 9 to 10 ootheca, each containing 14 to 16 eggs. Development is porometabolous, that is development through nymphal stages. The nymph grows by molting about 13 times to reach the adult form. Frog. देखिए नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम फ्रॉग से स्टडी करेंगे. ओके, इफ माय वीडियोस आर हेल्पफुल फॉर यू देन प्लीज सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल लर्निंग पॉइंट. थैंक यू.